Hi everyone, I'm here with a quick tutorial on how to delete or remove a page from a PDF. So the first thing you want to do is find the file and then drag it into Google Chrome. Now once you have your PDF, scroll through and make sure you remember which pages you want to keep. Then click the print button. Make sure your destination is save as PDF, or you could also save it to your Google Drive. And then in pages you want to select custom. And here you can select one page, or you can select a few pages, just use a dash symbol there. Or you could select, let's say, the third page, and then you want 5 through 7. Then click Save. And then let's check it out. And here you have a new PDF with the pages you want. All right, thanks for watching.